Living area. Sofa. We bought a comfortable gray sofa for the living room. The kids love to curl up on the sofa to watch movies on Friday nights. Please make sure the dog doesn't jump on the new leather sofa. Chair. Pull up a chair and join us at the dinner table. He sat in a wooden chair near the window to read his book. This office chair provides excellent support for long working hours. Coffee table. She placed her mug of hot tea down on the coffee table. Keep your feet off the coffee table, please. A beautiful glass coffee table sits right in the center of the room. Lamp. I need a brighter lamp on my desk for studying at night. She turned on the floor lamp to create a cozy atmosphere in the room. The antique bedside lamp has a beautifully detailed shade. Armchair. Grandfather always sits in his favorite plush armchair by the fireplace. I read a wonderful novel while relaxing in the corner armchair. The velvet armchair adds a nice pop of color to the living area. Ottoman. You can put your feet up on the ottoman while watching television. This hollow ottoman doubles as a clever storage unit for extra blankets. She used the sturdy ottoman as an extra seat when guests arrived. 2. Bedroom. Bed. After a long day of travel, I couldn't wait to crawl into a warm bed. They decided to upgrade from a queen size to a king size bed. Making your bed in the morning helps you start the day productively. Mattress. A high-quality mattress is essential for preventing back pain. This memory foam mattress conforms perfectly to the shape of your body. We bought a protective cover to keep the new mattress clean. Pillow. I prefer a firm pillow to support my neck while I sleep. She fluffed up the pillow before lying down for a quick afternoon nap. The decorative throw pillow matched the color of the curtains perfectly. Wardrobe. He hung all of his formal suits neatly inside the wooden wardrobe. My winter coats take up way too much space in the master wardrobe. The built-in wardrobe has plenty of shelves for shoes and accessories. Blanket. She pulled the heavy wool blanket up to her chin to stay warm. We spread a large blanket on the grass for our afternoon picnic. Could you please bring me an extra blanket from the closet? Bedside table. She keeps a glass of water and her phone on the bedside table. The drawer of the bedside table is filled with books I want to read. Place the lamp directly on top of the small bedside table.
3. Bathroom. Bathtub. She filled the porcelain bathtub with warm water and lavender bath salts to relax. Scrubbing the grime out of the bathtub is my least favorite weekend chore. The children had a fun time playing with plastic toy boats in the bathtub. Shower. I like to take a quick, refreshing shower every morning to wake myself up. The bathroom remodel included installing a modern glass door walk-in shower. Make sure to wipe down the tiles after your shower to prevent mold growth. Sink vanity. He stood in front of the marble sink vanity to shave and brush his teeth. The cabinets beneath the sink vanity provide plenty of storage space for extra toiletries. She wiped down the water splashes around the faucet on the sink vanity. Toilet. Remember to flush the toilet and close the lid when you were finished. The plumber had to come over to fix a leak at the base of the bathroom toilet. We replaced our old model with a water-efficient dual flush toilet. Towel rack. Please hang your damp bath towel back up on the towel rack so it can dry properly. We installed a heated towel rack to enjoy warm towels during the cold winter months. The chrome towel rack holds 3 neatly folded hand towels for our guests. Bathmat. Step directly onto the plush bathmat when exiting the shower so you don't slip. I need to throw the soggy cotton bathmat into the washing machine this afternoon. The non-slip backing keeps the bathmat firmly in place on the slick bathroom tiles. 4. Kitchen. cabinet. Reach up into the upper cabinet and grab 2 ceramic coffee mugs, please. We installed child-proof locks on every lower kitchen cabinet to keep the toddler safe. The pots, pans, and heavy mixing bowls are stored neatly in the corner cabinet. Stove. Turn on the gas stove and heat up some oil before throwing in the chopped onions. Be careful not to touch the top of the stove because the burners are still incredibly hot. She wiped away the grease splatters from the stainless steel stove after cooking dinner. Oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees before putting the chocolate chip cookie tray inside. The delicious aroma of baking bread wafted out the moment he opened the oven door. We roasted a whole chicken and a tray of mixed vegetables in the oven last night. Refrigerator. Please put the leftover pizza back in the refrigerator so it doesn't spoil overnight. The milk is on the top shelf of the refrigerator, right next to the orange juice. Our new smart refrigerator can alert us if the door is accidentally left open. Dishwasher. Load your dirty plates directly into the dishwasher instead of leaving them in the sink. We ran out of detergent pods, so I have to wash these wine glasses without the dishwasher. It takes only 5 minutes to empty the clean, dry dishes from the dishwasher. Toaster. Drop 2 slices of whole wheat bread into the toaster for a quick breakfast. The toaster settings are turned up too high, which completely burnt my bagel. Remember to empty the crumb tray at the bottom of the toaster to prevent smoking. 5. Study and decor. Bookshelf. She organized all her novels alphabetically by the author's last name on the wooden bookshelf. The heavy encyclopedia set is resting safely on the very bottom shelf of the bookshelf. We bought a tall, white bookshelf to display our collection of textbooks and board games from our childhood. Shelf. He mounted a floating shelf above his desk to display his favorite action figures. Can you reach the top shelf in the pantry and hand me that bag of brown sugar? She arranged a row of small, potted succulent plants across the sunny window shelf. Vase. He brought home a beautiful bouquet of fresh red roses and placed them inside a glass vase. The ceramic vase tipped over, spilling water and flower petals all over the dining table. An elegant, empty antique vase serves as an eye-catching centerpiece on our mantel. Mirror. She checked her reflection in the full-length mirror to make sure her outfit looked good. Hanging a large mirror in a small living room can make the entire space feel much bigger. He wiped the steam off the bathroom mirror after taking a long, hot shower. Curtain. Pull the blackout curtain closed if the morning sunlight is keeping you awake. She picked out a sheer, lightweight curtain that allows plenty of natural light to filter in. The elegant velvet curtain fabric perfectly matches the color scheme of the room. Clock. I glanced up at the wall clock and realized I was going to be late for my meeting. The constant ticking sound of the old grandfather clock kept me awake all night. You need to change the battery because the kitchen clock is running 10 minutes slow. 6. Fixtures and appliances. Fireplace. We gathered around the cozy stone fireplace to roast marshmallows on a chilly winter evening. He threw another log onto the roaring fireplace to keep the living room warm. Make sure the chimney flue is completely open before you light a fire in the fireplace. Ceiling fan. Turn on the ceiling fan to help circulate the air and cool down the bedroom. The dust builds up quickly on the spinning blades of the living room ceiling fan. You can adjust the speed of the ceiling fan using the wall switch or the remote control. Air conditioner, window or split unit. When the summer heat waves hit, we leave the air conditioner running all afternoon. The technician came over to clean the filters and service our wall-mounted air conditioner. Installing a compact window air conditioner made working from home much more bearable. Radiator. The old iron radiator clanks and hisses loudly whenever the building's heating turns on. Don't drape wet clothes directly over the hot radiator, as it can be a safety hazard. Our apartment stays warm in the winter thanks to the steam circulating through the radiator. Hanger. Please put your winter coat on a wooden hanger and place it inside the hallway closet. I need to buy a pack of plastic clothes hangers to properly organize my new shirts. The dress slipped off the smooth hanger and fell into a heap on the closet floor. Broom. Grab the kitchen broom and sweep up the shards of the glass cup that just broke. She used a long-handled broom to clear away the spider webs hanging from the porch ceiling. Store the dustpan right next to the broom in the utility closet so they are easy to find.